So I am pleased to tell you this adorable little kettle works just the way I expected it to. It's very simple, as a kettle should be in my humble opinion. I have already just tried boiling water for tea a minute ago. I don't really measure things. Put it back on its little base. And then that's how you know it's activated. And I don't think it even took a whole minute the first time I was using it. Also, it has this like really cool feature where I don't want to unplug it because it's going, but when you do unplug it, you can like hide the cable back into the base. It kind of has a spinning thing, sort of like one of those retractable dog leashes.
I'm going to do a review on this while it's running. Number one, it's small, although that's what we wanted. However, it takes forever to heat up. It takes as long as our big one to heat up. And you can't really see it right now, but when you pour, the steam actually comes out of here. You can see the steam coming out of there right now. It comes out of the button. It doesn't just come out of the head. So it will burn you if you're not careful. We're not real happy with it, but I think we've had it too long to return it. So anyway, don't buy it.
So this little travel kettle has been all over the Caribbean with us for the last couple of weeks. We got it because all the accommodations we were using only had coffee machines listed, and I'm not a coffee drinker, so it was a godsend to be able to take some tea bags and have a cup of tea in the rooms. Comes apart like a normal size kettle. Has an extendable cord which pulls out to about 20-25 centimetres. I won't pull it out now. Boils nice and quick, boils nice and quiet. Absolute easy, fits in the suitcase, no problem at all, no bigger than one shoe.